and good morning. My name is Gagandeep and today I am going to introduce you to Anitrans because every paw has a story. Anitrans is not just an app. It is the future of pet humanization, which started with a story. 4 years ago, I lost my cat Furry in a storm. I wish I could understand her feelings, but I couldn't. Nobody could. That's when it hit me. Why can't technology help us interpret what our furry friends are trying to say? We're not just building an app, we're solving problems. We're making missing pet rates nosedive dramatically through our GPS tracking, protecting pets from danger through our smart alert systems, breaking communication barriers between humans and animals through our AI-powered recognition, and finally, supporting stray life by contributing in NGOs, creating shelters for cats, dogs, and cows who host kitty parties in the middle of roads. This is the full app lineup of Anitrans. AI-powered recognition, which will include sound recognition and gesture recognition. Postagram, which is a social media platform designed for pets and pet owners to connect with others around the globe. GPS collar tracking and alert systems to keep pets protected at all times through our smart alert systems. Eco-friendly approach, promoting sustainable pet ownership through conscious choices made in the pet store. And finally, Petflix, which is an exclusive pet platform for pet entertainment. Responsibility, ethicality, and mindfulness is a crucial aspect in every AI. We use robust security systems such as two-factor authentication, biometrics, firewalls, and end-to-end encryption for secure user data, verified alerts which are checked for any misuse, and location accuracy. Human verification, which will include confidence thresholds and CAPTCHA, messages are scanned for offensive language. Here is my interface, and this is the prototype. Here is where we can log in or sign up. This is our pet profile. When we scroll down, we can check quick settings, our Pixel AI, EcoShop, Sound AI, Postagram, Petflix, and live active tracking along with full AI chatting. Let's start with sound recognition. We can here choose between two pets which are added for the prototype. However, many pets will be recognized through this AI recognition. We can click here, and then after that, it will start recognizing. After that, it will give a detailed analysis of what the pet is saying. EcoShop, which will include pet products for buying, which we can add them to cart and then check out. Next is Postagram, which is the social media platform designed for pets. We can add our post, check others' posts, like their post, comment on their post, or share. Tracking, which will include navigation, updating safe zone, refreshing location, and live active tracking. Petflix, which will include pet-related shows, which we can click on, check their information, and play. For example, nutrition tips. Finally is the pet profile, which we can check for our stats, our quick actions, settings. This is the detailed market analysis of Anitrans projection. The pet humanization market is worth over $250 billion, led by the United States. India is investing $3.6 billion as of 2024. And it is expected to grow more than sixfold to about 24 billion, which may surpass the United States. India stands at the perfect point in this intersection, combining empathy, AI, pet love, and sustainability to lead a new wave of pet humanization. This is a flow of Anitrans: sign up and profile building, setting up a platform such as Postagram or Petflix, enabling tracking, granting location permissions, and then finally using the app day to day.